Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxy and I'm super tired. I just woke up. I need to go and wash and wrap my hair because this morning Shay from Salon Shay is coming to cut my hair. Yes, finally. So for the past, I would say, few months, I've put in exactly how long. I've been trimming my hair and cutting it myself, but that can only hold me over for so long, and it's starting to show that I need a professional cut. I look crazy. I'm always coming on here looking crazy, but I'm just keeping it real with you guys. I did not tie down my hair last night. I permed it exactly 3 days ago. So on Saturday, I permed my hair, relaxed it. So I don't need to relax it again. I'm just gonna wash it, wrap it, dry it as best as I can so that she can cut it for me. Basically. So I'm gonna be using this shampoo and conditioner here to wash my hair today. It makes my hair feel really moisturized and not so dry and crispy. Like, I get that my hair sometimes gets really firm and stiff when I use shampoos that are really high in protein. Shampoos that contain protein. These are it for today. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap my hair in my bathroom quickly. As you guys know, I'm using Nairobi right now, and I'm gonna wrap my hair with the Rapid Junior strips. Okay guys, so I got my hair cut. It's finished now. It's looking like this. You can tell she took off a good amount at the back and the sides. And I also asked her to take down some of my sideburns. It feels so like nice and clean. I can't wait to like color it and style it. But this is like everything I wanted. So she left some up here, which is good, perfect. But most importantly, I wanted the sides and the back on. In the beginning of the video, I told you that her name was Shay. Her name is actually Chevon. So she has an Instagram, Chevon Your Stylist, and she also has her salon Instagram, which is at Salon Shay. So yeah. So yeah, I'm very happy. So like, this is what I normally do. I go to the salon, I just get a cut, and then I just do everything else myself, and I just work with the cut moving forward until I need to get a cut again. I asked her to leave the hair at the top and just trim it if necessary, which she did, and definitely take down the back and the sides, which she did. So it looks kind of crazy right now, but you know, this is it, guys. I just want to show you guys like a part of my short hair journey. Just getting my hair cut so that I can style it at home moving forward. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. As usual, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.